Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. It's time to mend the code and check the produced result. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Remember, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and happy debugging, folks.